first time หนูไว้เลยยัง di trial songs bener nanti Doraga dan Kayla denger Hi there, Khulumbai. Welcome back to another episode in my life. I'm ready to move from Guwahati to Udalguri because there is a wedding for my cousin friend Renjim and Dawn. They are getting married finally. After 4 hours of journey, it's almost dark now and we are about to reach village. So I'm gonna show you guys the wedding house, also the bride. Keep on watching. My chapel. Oh, be open thakagan ne. Mazang no ganda. Kaya hai aadmi log. Huh? Oh. Lele topla thopli la na ne phai. Okay. Biar mabayawse nai now. Nai ni pungawse. As I reach home, bride-to-be was not there. Actually, she is invited for dinner before her wedding. And I'm also got invited here at Priscilla's house. Thank you so much for the food. And we were just having some gossip. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. It was just a clip how I reach home. I'm too tired. I'm gonna see you tomorrow morning. Till then, stay blessed, stay fabulous. Take care. Good night. Bye-bye.
Take off your shoes and step in the bed.